Hello, hi. So, for this exercise, we are being asked to evaluate the prakriti of each of these women. What characteristics led you to assessing the prakriti from each of these women? So, first of all, our Sex and the City woman. I think this is quite easy though. She's Vata because she has thin bones. You can see from the hand as well. Thin bones, thin hair. The statue, you can't really tell. I think she's short though, so that would be. But I think that's part of the Vata. She's quite slim, so she's very slim. She's all bones, pretty much. And also the figure, the face is not full. The face is quite angular, pointy nose, quite big nose, but it's pointy, slim as well. The second girl, I don't know who she is, but I think I've seen her before, but I don't know who she is really. Red haired, easy peasy. So she's our Pitta friend, and you can tell that also her build is medium sized, so she's not as skinny as SJP, but she is quite yeah, like medium built, and so is the face. So the face is quite rectangular in a way, but not too skinny, not too. It's like just medium. Everything is medium shaped. The eyes are medium as well. And then we have our Queen of America, as I call her, Oprah, Kafa, of course. I think she's also short, but Kafa, voluminous, big eyes, big nose, big lips. She's even the skin is soft just by looking at it. It just becomes soft as you gaze at her. Whereas the other two, in terms of the skin texture, you can see a little bit of dryness in SJP. You can see that the other one is more reddish, which is also, I mean, they have makeup on, so you can't really tell, but I think you can tell. And but the red obviously gives it away. And then, yeah, our body, our body Oprah. She is quite short, she's quite big, um, and yeah, like round face. I think the face is more like mine, so we tend to put on weight around here, this area here. I'm more of an Oprah person, but I'm very tall, so that doesn't explain. Yeah, probably if I lost a lot of weight, I would be more like in between SJP and the second girl. But yeah, going back to them, I think, yeah, so the first is Vata, the second is Pitta, the third is Kapha. The characteristics, I think I mentioned them, and I think that's all. 2 or 3 minutes, we're over that, so it's fine. And then, yeah, and I can't wait to see them. It makes sense even like character wise, I'm just gonna go a little bit beyond, but you can see, the Oprah has this image of the queen, the image of everybody, the person who takes care of the others, the therapist, like this lovely woman. And then the second one, she's I don't know actually what she does, so I don't know her personality, but the first one, I think she's an actress. The first one is also an actress, and she's more like upbeat, like the Vata that never stops, the city that never sleeps. Okay, never mind. Lots of love, and see you soon.